Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to configure your MySQL workbench. Okay, so that you can start working with MySQL database. Okay, so in the last video we have talked about like how you can download and install MySQL in your machine, right? So there might be some issues or you might be some problems that you face after installing the MySQL, that using the password issue, so you cannot log in inside the MySQL workbench and your server is not up and running. So for that, basically what you have to do is you have to uninstall the server basically. So you have so basically you can uninstall the server here. So in this way it will show, and here you can remove, you can select this one and remove it. Okay, so you can select this MySQL server, click on next, then you execute, and it will stop the server. So basically why I am telling this is like you might face some issue while starting the server. I have faced this problem, that's why I am providing you the solution. Okay, so you can follow the steps and you can click on finish, and now you can click on add. Okay, so clicking on add, it will show different servers, MySQL servers, MySQL server, MySQL. You can select the first one and click on the arrow button here, so it is ready to be installed, and click on next, and in this way you can install the server again. Okay, so basically you just remove the server and reinstall the server in your system. Okay, then this problem will be solved. Okay, so don't check anything, just click next, just set up a password like that. Okay, this is your choice what password you want to provide here. Then click on next, then click on next, then click on next. Okay, then click on execute. Okay, so it will configure the server in your system again. Okay, so that it is configuration is complete. Okay, so I'll click on finish here. So now I will close everything and I'll just open the MySQL workbench. So it will show this type of user interface. Okay, so you have to click on this plus icon to create the new server, right? So I already have created the new server. So when you click on this one, it will ask for different so connection name you can give anything, connection method let it be like that, and port you can give anything, username, password you don't need to touch here. Username also you can change, or you don't want to change, that's your choice, and click on OK at last. Okay, so I'll just not create this one, and I have already had this one, so let me click on this one, and as I have shown you the password, I am entering my password here, and it will just launch the workbench. Okay, so these are the different UI of that MySQL workbench. In this today I am going to show you some important commands that you can try out, right? So basically first command that you should try is show databases. And here you have to click on this icon. Okay, execute. So while you click on this, it will show the databases that are already there. Okay, and now the next command that you can perform is like create a database. Okay, create database. So this command will create a new database. Okay, so you have to provide a name here, new db. Okay, so once you click on execute, it will create a new database here. Okay, so now if I run the command again, show database, and click on execute here, so it will show the new database here. As you can see here, the new database is visible here. Okay, so now I will just use this database. I will go to this new database first of all. So how to do that? Use. So for that case you need to use. Okay, use is the keyword that you need to use the db name. Okay, next is the db name. Db name is what? New db. Okay, after writing the command, you execute the command. So like you can see that it is switched to the new db. Okay, so once you have done this one, you can use select database. Okay, select database, this command. Okay, once you execute this one, so this new db is returned. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. So I hope that you have understood some of the commands. So in the next video I'll talk about some of the most important command that are handy in your day-to-day life. Okay, if you like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video more, and comment down below whether you have understood or not. See you in the next video.